Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Nowadays so many are going for online education, work from home and online meetings. For all these we have one best solution, that is a Zoom app. I am going to tell you about this app today. We will know more details. Now I am going to show you the how to install Zoom app and how to use it. Go to Play Store first. Search for Zoom Cloud Meeting app. I have already installed it, so it is showing as already installed. I am opening it. After opening it, you will get automatically the home screen. Start a meeting. Join meeting. Without sign up, if you want to join a meeting, you can join a meeting, but you have to enter the meeting link, meeting ID. So somebody given you the meeting ID, then you have to type meeting ID here. Then you have to join the meeting here. Click on the join meeting. Or else you can directly sign up as a new user. Now you have to enter a date of birth. I am entering some date of birth. You have to enter the email ID as well as the first name and second name. You have to select the terms and conditions. Then you have to click on the next. It is asking you to verify your email ID. Let me check if I have received mail or not. Yeah, here I have received my mail. Activate account. It will ask you, are you signing up on behalf of a school? No. Just continue. It will also ask you to set the password. I have set my password. It is asking you to invite some of the friends. If you want to invite, you can invite, or else you can simply click on the skip step. Already it is verified. I am signing in. It is asking you to enter the email ID and password. You can also connect through Google or Facebook or SSO. Now I am signing in. It is connecting to the server. It is asking you do you want to sign in with fingerprint ID? If you want to sign in with fingerprint ID, you have to press OK. If not, you can cancel. Here I am starting new meeting. I am using personal meeting ID. Start meeting. Disconnecting. Yes, if you want to unmute yourself, you click here, but it will ask you the prompt screen. Do you want to allow to record audio, and if you want to give access to camera. So if you want to show your video and audio, then you have to give access to Zoom compulsory. I have already given access. Start video. It is a camera. You can unmute yourself. You can share any of the content, photo, document, box, Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive for business, web URL, bookmark, screen, and share whiteboard. Share whiteboard mean to say, especially for the students and teachers, it will be useful. And if you want to see the participant who have joined, you can click on the participants. So here I am only the participant, so I have not invited anyone. It is showing as my name only. If you want to invite, you can invite from here. You can copy here, you can paste it in anywhere, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Gmail. You can invite in any kind of mode. I am the organizer, so I am getting mute all, unmute all option. If you are the participant, you will not get this mute all, unmute all option. So you can mute all and you can unmute all. These two options are there. Going back, more settings also. If you want to disconnect audio, if you want to chat, you can chat with everyone. if you want to send message personally, you can select any one of the contact, because here only I am alone, so it is not showing any others name. You can go to meeting settings. There are some settings are there. You can choose any one of the settings. So here is all about the meeting. If you want to end up meeting, you can end up. Here leave meeting option is there, end meeting option is there. If I leave meeting, all other participants will be in a meeting and I will be moved out of meeting. If we end meeting, then all other participants also will get disconnected. When to say this end option will come to only me, because I am the organizer. Other participant will not get the end meeting option. I am clicking on end meeting. So this is what, going back. If you want to schedule any meeting, you have to type the title. The meeting I'm approved, you have to select the date, you have to select the time, attend time. Repeat, if you want to repeat it every day, you can send it every day. At the time they will get a reminder. Using personal PMI ID, meeting password. If you want to set any password, you can set here. If you want to give option participation video on, you can give option. Only host video on, you can give option, select option this thing, host video on, participants video on. Audio option, telephone and device audio, anything you can select. Telephone and device both we can select. Add to calendar, it will automatically get reminder to everyone. So done. Allow Zoom to access your calendar, yes, allow. I am pressing back. This is what about. There is a settings. You can go to settings, and if you want to change anything, you can change here. So this is all about Zoom Cloud app meeting. So I think you all are like my video. So please like my video, share, comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot.